Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Lisa Correa and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so today I am bringing you guys a very highly requested video, a room tour. I've been working on my room a lot during quarantine. I've been moving stuff around, painting stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my room, a safe haven where I spend most of my time. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can be notified when I post, because I post videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. And yeah, let's get into the room tour. Okay, so this is what you see when you enter my room. Just a little 360. So I'm gonna start with behind my door. You see this little cute sign that says, if you can dream it, you can do it. Manifestation is real. So I like to, keep positive quotes around my room. Underneath that little sign, I just have like a shoe rack. I actually bought this for school. It's moved back because of Corona. So I made use of it here because I didn't want to take it down. Right next to my shoe rack, I have like that little table. I know you guys saw that in my dorm tour as well. I have like little extra Ipsy bags down in that little container thing. These two little bins, I actually got them at Dollar Tree. I keep like little body scrubs and candles in here, and then I have more Ipsy bags right here. Right here I just have my mirror. I think it's very useful like this. In my dorm I actually had it on the ground, but I feel like now it's just taller. So I try to keep this drawer symmetrical to my bed. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Here I keep dresses, sweaters, jeans, winter sweaters, and then bikinis and stuff down there. And then here, which is actually the part that I recently remodeled, I guess you can say, because this honey was a mess. Everything that was right there, guys, used to be up here. I just bought little containers like these from Dollar Tree. Yeah, so right here I keep all my perfumes back there, and then some body lotion, the pink perfumes, the lotions, and some extra lotions back there. And then I have this beautiful candle, guys. I've been obsessed with candles lately, and I love the fresh smell. I love either vanilla or an island breeze smell. Here I keep my jewelries. I just keep earrings, small earrings in here. Then I have my rings in these little boxes. I have my lipsticks. I try to color code it all black, but then I ran out of black lipsticks, colorless, the color ones in the back. I thought this was a really cute idea. I got these containers from Dollar Tree as well. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. All right guys, so next to my drawer, I just have this keyboard that I honestly don't even have a stand for. Right here is my dirty laundry stuff. Down there I have some coins that my uncle gives me. I feel like we all have an uncle that gives us coins. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Right here I just have a small TV. I've had this TV for so long, guys, and it's never disappointed me. I barely watch TV, so that's why I never invested in getting a new TV. And then above the TV I have this little quote from Audrey Hepburn. Honestly, I don't remember who got me this. So it says, elegance is the only beauty that never fades, and that is facts. It's a vibe, Guys, this is where it kind of not gets messy, but it kind of looks messy, because these are literally all of the stuff that I brought from college that when I started online school at home, I needed it. I needed these things. All my textbooks and papers and books are on top of my mini fridge. Ignore my trash, but this is my mini fridge from college. I just keep waters in there. Right here I keep pens. I have my my certificates, diplomas, all that. I bought little containers to make it more organized. I have this light right here that I use when I'm working late. Recently, guys, I don't know if you guys have remembered in some of my videos, I don't know if I've ever showed it, but this table used to be brown. First desk, but I decided to literally paint it white, y'all. Like, I literally painted this whole thing. Let me take my computer off. I saw this idea on TikTok of like people just cutting out cute little things and making a collage on their desk. I literally made this, guys. This is literally so cute. I grabbed like all like the aesthetic-y pictures, but I just have like different little like stuff on it. Just made it a little cute, you know. I just have my ring light here, have like some outlet stuff over there, have this little chair that I sit on when I film videos. Next to my nightstand, I have like this little lounge chair, I guess you can say. I need to clean it, but and then this, ignore this, guys. This is literally like a basket full of like stuff that I do not need to use at home. It's all from college. We're gonna ignore that. And then we have my nightstand. In the drawers, I just keep like pajamas, like shirts and then shorts. And my nightstand, I have like a little air humidifier. And then I have like my iHome. You guys also have seen that. My camera, my glasses, a little picture, my Bible, my LED stuff, my retainers. And then, guys, I recently purchased white bed sheets. I don't know, I just like really like the vibe. It's getting hot, and I just feel like it was too much. Got a nice microfiber comforter, and so it's just really, it's more cool. And then above my bed, I just have like a picture from my Sweet 16. And then next to my bed, the new addition that I recently got, I think it was like a month ago, this rack. I really love this vibe, guys. I got the rack from IKEA, and it took over like a month just because of like COVID and everything to get here, but it's very cute. It was $8. And then above that, I thought it was cute to put my Fashion Avenue sign, just because, you know, it's like a fashion vibe, so period. And then right here, it's my closet door. I'm not gonna open my closet because it is a mess, y'all. Like, it's a mess. But I have my robe, then I have my towel, and right here I just have like a little drawers. I have my nail polish, all my beauty nail polishes stuff up in the first one, and then I have like medical health stuff in the second drawer, and then the bottom drawer is like all my like technology stuff. All my hair stuff are in this like bin right here. Then you guys have seen this in my makeup collection. You guys have seen my vanity, so I'm not gonna go too in depth with it. So that is literally my room, guys. It is not huge, but I'm really happy of how comfy I've made it. I don't know, I just really love this room. If you guys know me, my room before, y'all, it was a purple vibe. The walls were literally purple with freaking Hannah Montana sheets, all that, for literally the longest time. I was like, it's time for a more mature room, all that. So all right, guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed my small room tour. I've literally worked in this room so long, over a month now. Decided to be active during quarantine and make something that will benefit me, you know, when we're not in quarantine anymore and I don't have time. And I finally did it. I didn't want to put up a room tour until I felt like my room was like complete. So yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting my videos and for watching them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys.